Welcome to my video lesson on beating traffic tickets, knowing your rights. Get our free e-course today at www.trafficticketsaver.com, packed with a lot of tips on how to beat traffic tickets, how to beat speeding tickets. It's very possible. You just need to know this information. Now, as you can see here, this is an example of a traffic ticket. If you have one of these, be sure to look over it carefully for any clerical errors. Note the date and time. This is very important information that can help you in your case. Alright, now you have the right to a speedy trial. In some states, you can choose to appeal for a jury. In most cases, though, a judge is the best. Never admit guilt. If the officer asked you, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" answer no. If you answer his question with anything but no, he can use that information against you in court. So be sure to know this information. You have the right to remain silent. Always remember this before entering the courtroom. The prosecution will try to get you to say anything that will incriminate you. It is advised you do not take the stand. You don't absolutely need a lawyer. Examine your case. If you feel comfortable enough with the law and stating your defense, save time and money on a lawyer. According to statistics, 9 out of 10 traffic cases were won without an attorney present. Now think about that. 9 out of 10 traffic cases were won without an attorney present. If you want to learn more, check out www.trafficticketsaver.com. We have a free e-course. We know the best ways to beat traffic and speeding tickets. Check it out. We've helped a lot of people save themselves from being brought down by the effects of a traffic ticket. You don't realize, but not only are you paying a fine, you're risking your insurance rate to be hiked up. You're adding, the points to your driver's license. If you add more than 12 points in a 24-month period, a lot of times they can just suspend your driver's license. So it's really a lot more of an inconvenience than you think. So definitely check out www.trafficticketsaver.com to learn how to get rid of your traffic ticket and not pay a dime. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a great day.